Flaxseed is a rich source of protein, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids. It may help lower the risk of some cancers, help maintain a healthy weight, and reduce cholesterol and blood pressure. Cloves are a spice that are rich in antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties. They may also help regulate blood sugar levels and improve liver health. 5. Although there is no scientific evidence to suggest that combining flaxseed and cloves has any specific health benefits, both ingredients have individual health benefits that can be enjoyed as part of a healthy diet. Ingredients: flaxseed, clove,